Mayang buntag mga Cebuanos, this is Maria Gigante for Bay News. So last night, renowned Cebuano blogger Chris Uy launched her book, Behind the Blog, together with a short talk and a block screening of Star Wars Rogue One at Robinson's Movie World Galleria Cebu. The book, published by ABS-CBN Publishing, is an in-depth look at her personal and blog life, with stories and even some raw photos never seen on her blog. Chris joins an elite roster of API authors, which include Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, Alex Gonzaga, Georgina Wilson, Solen Husaf, and Ramon Bautista. Priced at 225 pesos, Behind the Blog is available in bookstores nationwide and will soon be available on ABS-CBN Publishing Incorporated's reading app, No Ink, which you can find for free in the App Store and on Google Play. The app is for free, not the book. For more Bay News, subscribe to our social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube.